Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to LC Cafe and Restaurant. May I believe you have a reservation?
Yes.
May I have your name and how many person, please?
Miss Nina, for one person only.
Would you like some smoking or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking.
Okay, ma'am. This way, ma'am. Is this table okay for you, ma'am?
Yes.
Please have a seat. I'll hold the napkin. Some refreshing drink to start with. Would you like some iced tea or pineapple juice?
I would like some pineapple juice, please.
Excuse me, ma'am. Is your pineapple juice?
Thank you.
My name is Laika. I will be your dining attendant for today. Don't hesitate to call me wherever you need something. Excuse me, ma'am. Please have some freshly baked bread. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I would like to present to you our menu for your selection. I will take your order whenever you're done. You're ready. Thank you, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. May I take your order for your appetizer?
For my appetizer, I would like some lekahong. For my soup, strawberry corn. And then for salad, vegetable salad. Main course, I would like some beef steak. And for dessert, slice of
May I suggest to you, ma'am, our wine list for your selection? Which one will you prefer, ma'am? A bottle of white wine or red wine?
I would like some red wine.
Will that be all, ma'am?
Yes.
Well, I will take your order, ma'am. Your order for your appetizer is lekahong, crab and corn soup, fresh fruit and vegetable, beef steak and slice of cake. That's it, ma'am. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Did I get your order correct, ma'am? Thank you. Your order will be served within 15 minutes. Ma'am, may I present to you Ranger Merlot, a product of Napa Valley with a vintage year of 2017, a content alcohol with 12%. It has an aroma of apple lime. Ma'am, here's your appetizer, baked tahong. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, may I hear? Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, here's your crab and corn soup. Ma'am, may I hear? Ma'am, this is your main course, beef steak. Norwegian Marlot, a product of Napa Valley, with a vintage year of 2017 and alcohol content of 14%. It is intense flavor of fun, blueberry, and blackberry. Would you like me to open it now?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, ma'am, may I hear? Ma'am, here's your slice of cake. Would you like some coffee or iced tea to go with it? Coffee. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, here's your coffee. May I clear, ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your bill. Thank you, ma'am. I received 1,000 pesos and I will be back for your change and receipt. Thank you, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your change. Thank you for dining with us and hope to see you again. Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning. Thank you for calling room service. This is Laila speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, I want to order something.
Certainly, ma'am. Do we have the menu with you? It's on the table next to your bed. Did you see it?
Yes.
May I have your name and room number, please?
My name is Sheena and my room number is 304.
Thank you for that information. Okay, Miss Sheena. Of room 304, may I take your order?
I want a roasted chicken and red wine.
Okay, would you like a lobster or fish fillet? How about some champagne to go with it?
No, thank you.
Is there anything else that you would like to order?
That would be all, thank you.
Okay, Ma'am Sheena, may I repeat your order? You ordered for roasted chicken and red wine. Is that correct?
Yes, that's perfect.
Your order will be delivered within 15 to 20 minutes. Would you like us to deliver it right away or a specific time?
No, thank you. Take your time.
The total amount of your bill is 1,750 pesos. Are you paying in cash or changing to your room?
I'm paying cash.
Okay, ma'am. How much bill do we have to change it?
I have 2,000 pesos.
Is there anything else that I can help you with it?
No, thank you.
Thank you for bringing up that. Thank you for calling room service. Have a nice day.
Thank you.